Hi all, I am Prasida. I am going to present our ongoing projects in this quarter from July to September 2021. The Mathematical Association of America is the world's largest community of mathematicians and students. MAAIPG, the Mathematical Association of America International Program Group, is based in Iowa, USA. We are authorized by MAA to conduct AMC test series in South Asia, Middle East Asia, and parts of Southeast Asia. The Transitions Lab Preparatory School is a consulting practice focused on experience-based university admission counseling, introducing students to the opportunities, training and review needed for an exceptional post-secondary education while advancing the dialogue of a global education. Our MAA IPG leaderships and TLUPS India leaderships are as mentioned in this slide. We have our chairman, PMO and flow manager as MAA IPG leadership and Mr. KP Santosh and Ms. Mini Kurup as TLUPS India leadership. And these are our ongoing projects: Kerala Private School Project, Kerala Government Schools Campaign, Canada Short Study Program, Counseling Program, IB School Project, Agent Recruitment Project, Group School Projects, Pre-Sale Support Project, Sun Salutation Program, Individual Student Recruitment Program. And this is the model of estimated sales figures that we are expecting from this quarter, and that is 1000 numbers from individual student recruitment campaign, 25% increase in existing schools, 5 times more new SEO SMO lead walk-ins, 3 new group schools, 50 new IB schools from South Asia, 30 new IB schools from Middle East, 30 new IB schools from Africa and Europe, 100 new agents, 15 new CBSE schools from outside India, 60 Kerala private schools, and the expected figure is 7,200. In 2021-2022 academic year, we are putting a lot of time, energy and manpower in Kerala region because of the huge market in Kerala. The target of this project is decided as 50% of the schools in the top 500 school list, and that is 250 schools. As a first step, we have made a list of top 500 private schools in Kerala and completed first round of communication with them. As of now, there is 89 numbers of suspects and we need to contact them once again. And then we are going to connect with schools in Trivandrum and sharing our collaterals and details. Our next project is KGS 10,000 Kerala Government School Campaign. In association with the Kerala Education Department, SCERT and SSK, we are planning a Whole Kerala campaign. The aim of this program is to bring all the government schools and aided school students into our community and for our AMC program. Through this program, the students from Kerala can attend our AMC without any registration fee because the government will be paying their fees. Our project lead already met the concerned authorities and submitted project proposals, and the further discussions was delayed due to the parliament election, and we will continue to work on that as the election is now over. As of now, we have collected all the available data such as brochures, letters, contacts and collaterals, and we are started to make a bundle ready to give to the SSK and General Education Department. The next project is GPS 006, the Group Schools project. Presently we have only one school system in our project, and that is Delhi Public School, and by implementing Group School project we are planning to bring 6 new schools to our system and to our program in this academic year. We have listed out all the existing group schools in our region and prepared a clear script. From this weekend, we will start contacting them. Next is Agent Recruitment Project AR100. Through AR100 project, we are planning to recruit 100 agents all over our region by the end of September, and this will help us to easily convert more students to our AMC program. The agent may be a tutor or a teacher or someone having direct connections with students. We have created a list of all the agents and drafted agreement for association with them. IBO and IGCSE project. The mission of the IB School project is to expand IB portfolio by ensuring a stronger relationship with international IB schools. By doing this, we can include students into all the different custom programs offered by MAA and also in all the max tournaments. The age group will be in between 10 and 90. Although IB schools offer schooling from age 3 and above, our prime focus will be on the students that fall between 10 and 19 age group. These students to be targeted and analyzed to understand customers. After analyzing each segments, our product will be introduced, explained and promoted based on the interest of the students individually, the competency of each school to register larger groups, and also based on prior knowledge of each customer segment. As of now, we have prepared a list of IB schools in India and started contacting. We have already drafted the emails and a detailed script. First round of calling is completed. First round of IBO messaging is going on. I am going to prepare the list of IB schools in outside India by end of this week. Our next project is Pre-SS 2021, and that is Pre-Sales Support Project. The aim of Pre-Sales Support Program is to provide all technological supports to the other projects. This will be implementing through several tools and social media. The pre-sales support process includes maintaining all the lists and collaterals, arrange seminars through Eventbrite tool, create lists and upload in Constant Contact and sending mail, maintaining all audio and video files of seminars and presentations, start using Insta bulk mailing tool and promotion through FB page, and reviewing all the process again and sending reminder mails. C 2021 is a counseling program. The counseling program is designed in a way that it helps the students who is currently studying in high school and wants to get admissions in top universities in USA or Canada. The Professor Shyam Chandra will be taking the sessions, and the sessions are individual for each student. The main motto of these sessions is helping the students for their common application form. Professor Shyam Chandra will be giving various tasks and projects, and the students will complete it within the specified time. CSSP 2021 Canada Short Study Program. Through this project, we provide a short study program in Canada for those students who were currently studying in colleges in India. As the name suggests, it will be a short study program with 1 or 2 weeks in Canada. This program may include visiting famous tourist places like Niagara Falls, Vancouver and many. It will be a group event with a limited number of students, and if the parents want to accompany, there will be an option for that too. SS108 Sun Salutation Program. This is a program based on Be Active and Be Engaged concept. The motto of this program is engaging high school students globally by giving them a challenge to conquer. And this is a charity program. As we have lined up several donors and supporting organizations, they will be committing $1 for each salutation to Living Rock. Our first SS108 event was on June 20th, and the next event is scheduled on September 20th. This is a funding program related to the issues of youth homelessness. ISRP Individual Student Recruitment Program. In this program, we are focusing on individual students to participate in our math competitions, and we are expecting 3,000 students in 2021 and 2022 academic year. Our Sun Salutation program is leading by Miss Devi. Canada Short Study Project and Counseling projects are leading by Miss Joshna. Our both Kerala projects, private and government school projects are leading by Miss Smita. Our IB school project is leading by Mr. Fayaz. Agent recruitment and group school projects are leading by Miss Shahana. The pre-sales project is also leading by Miss Smita with the support of Miss Reshma. And that is all about our ongoing projects, and I hope all the aspects of our projects are clear. Thank you.